my counsel better knows than me. And this man has alleged about my Aadhaar card discrepancies. He has only forged the birthdays. And this property in question on the paper, on the alleged document, it is mortgaged. You know, so if we talk about the legal point of view, there are so many fallacies, there are so many like inaccuracies, loopholes, disturbances in the document that I don't know how the police accepted it in the first place. They should have arrested him on receiving that document itself.
Ma'am, why Vidyasagar has alleged that you target fabricated document and money from them?
Let me get to that. Okay, I target industrialists. Who has a case on me, or whom do I have a case on other than this Bombay case that I am talking about? If I have friends in high places, if I am connected in high places, if I have friends that are rich and wealthy and are industrialists, does that make me a cheater? Okay, you are jealous. Vidyasagar in question is particularly jealous of me because I rejected his marriage proposal in 2015 because I discovered he is a big time womanizer and he's like everything is on paper, on his divorce papers, and he has criminal cases. Despite him having lured me with expensive gifts, he still faced rejection. That's why he is having a lot of grudges and anger, hatred, the hatred of rejection against me, and he is jealous that I have rich friends while he got rejected by everyone. He can't take it.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ మిగతా విషయాలన్నీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ మిగతా విషయాలన్నీ ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్ రికార్డ్ చేసిన కాపీని మీకు సప్లై చేస్తాం. ఓకే ప్లీజ్